Hey everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews, and today in our Tech Tidbits segment, we're going to take a quick look at this really nice soldering iron kit. It was sent to me, and I will put the link in the description where you can get this. It's a pretty nice one. It's actually an automatic one, but still in its box. Very nice packaging, orange and black on a very matte finish. Have all of the stuff here. This is the biggest one here, automatic solder feeder, anti-scalding, and good for all kinds of projects around the house or in the garage. Here's the back, all the information back here. Alrighty, let's go ahead and open it up and check out inside. Alright, so inside we do have the little thank you card they send. Looks like they have a lot of different other stuff here. The little claws there, that'd be really nice to have. The magnifying station, all that kind of stuff. And then on the back, just a little letter. And of course, this does come from the Amazon store. And here is the kit here. It tells you exactly what you have, all the parts to it, and then your operation guide, how to calibrate your temperature. It displays it in either Celsius or Fahrenheit. And then on the back, all right, so here's what we got inside the box. Inside the box, we have a couple of static-free tools here. These are the micro pliers here. And then these are also static-free. Got little wire snips, precision snips, pliers with cutters on them. Inside this little baggie, we have 5 additional precision tips that we could put on here as well. We have the solder cleaning pad. And we have a solder vacuum. Cleans up unwanted mess. And we have another set of precision pliers here, tweezers. And then the actual gun itself has a nice long cord. Down here is the temperature display and the power switch. You can set and decrease and increase your temperature. The solder is actually on a spool on this winder back here. And you've got pull this out. So you have the heating element here, and this is the solder feed right here. You can kind of see it come out. And then this here is the door. If you have a jam or something like that, you can actually reach in here, lift up the tension wheel, and then feed your solder through or whatever you need to do. And then of course it also has the stand as well. Alrighty, so there we have it. That's our quick first look at our new adjustable auto feed soldering iron and all of the accessories that come with it. Again, I'll put the link in the description down below, but thanks for watching and stay tuned because we will have a demonstration video to come. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.